directly, and give me a straightforward answer.
Yes.
Nigerians are interested. Who is behind all of this coordinated,
Yes.
orchestrated,
Yes.
some would even allege?
Yes.
Don't forget, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar said
Yes.
there's a coordinated, concerted effort
Yes.
to destabilize the ADC.
Yes.
So who is behind all of this?
In my own opinion, APC. And my reason is clear. They did it in PDP. They appointed Wike as minister. And Wike started working for them. Wike doesn't hide it.
Confirmed by Seyi Makinde, no less a person as a governor
Seyi
of the state.
Makinde said, Wike said they are not going to produce presidential candidate. They are going to adopt President Tinubu. What other example do you want? In Labour Party, I told you how they used good and all those ones
and all the rest of
simply to destabilize. So PDP is now in their pocket. ADC is the only opposition. What interest does any other person have to destabilize ADC? It is only APC that has interest to destabilize it because there is no internal crisis.
Yeah, I was going to come. That's the next question. Some
Good.
are alleging that it's
Yes.
internal crisis. Don't. Sorry,
Yes.
sorry.
Go ahead.
In Edo State, when there was this attack at
Yes.
the home of former Governor John Odige Oyegun,
Yes.
Peter Obi was there. Some other bigwigs, ADC bigwigs were there,
Yes.
and there were gunshots at the gate. You know, the governor, Monday Okpebholo, came out to say, "Oh, it is this disgruntled elements of the ADC within the ADC that it is infighting." So that's what I'm asking. Who is behind this coordinated?
Now, recall that when that assassination attempt took place, I came on television to say this assassination attempt.
I saw it.
Why have they not proved me wrong by arresting the people that are involved? 10 unmarked vehicles.
And parade them.
Good. Went to the secretariat of ADC. After shooting them, they chased them down to Oyegun's house. Oyegun's house is near the state house. Until today, you've not made any arrest. You know what the president of El Salvador said? If the state does not deal with insecurity, the state is complicit. It is the duty of the state that has the monopoly of force to secure lives and property. So if a thing happens like this and nobody is arrested, it is the state. I have the right to say it by own opinion. Especially when it was in the day complete in the daylight, where everybody sees everybody. And then 10 unmarked vehicles going through the street of Beni, close to the state house, and after operating, nobody till today has arrested anybody. I met the elderly senator, Senator Roland Owie. I met him in the NEC meeting, and I jokingly asked him, "Oga, why do you want to kill us now?" He laughed. A very religious man. He said something that made me to start crying. He said, "Young man, Kenneth, thank you for what you're doing in Nigeria." He said, "Because of you, I named one of my children Kenneth, because I want to see in him the things I'm seeing in you." You think such a man would have any need to go and do anything against his own party? Any man that wants to conspire against his party will not come out openly and tell you, "I disagree with this," if he disagrees with anything. They were all together when they were taken away from the secretariat because of people coming to attack them. And they went to the residence of John Odige Oyegun. Pleasant religious man. He was the one who led us in prayer. There is nothing like internal crisis in Edo. That governor, I've always said that even his party, APC, regards him as insignificant. Was it not in the convention of APC that the chairman of APC was saying that we are being treated as insignificant people, that they were left in overflow? The delegation, this is a governor that wears cap, Tinubu's cap, and has ordered everybody to be wearing Tinubu's cap. Overflow governor. Overflow APC. That's where they put them. And you know what? It's because they know that's where their capacity is. So the APC is not even recognizing them as important. This is the chairman of APC saying, "No, not me." That why would they treat them as they are unimportant? You know what he said? He said they have promised Tinubu 3.5 million votes from Edo. The population of Edo as a whole is about 2-point-something million. The last election, all the total people that voted were not up to 1 million. But they are promising Tinubu 3.5 million. Do such people appear to you as people that have sense? No, by this arithmetic, I'm not talking.
Absolutely.
Look, I am not talking legalistically. I'm not talking grammatically. I'm talking arithmetically. Say 3.5 million to Tinubu. Is there no end to sycophancy? Must you expose that you are empty in the head in order to be a sycophant? 3.5 million. They are promising Tinubu.